All right, guys. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Accurate Pips YouTube channel. Accurate Pips, uh, TikTok. I want to say a very big thank you to all our followers, and also apologize for being away for a very long time. It wasn't my intention to be away. I had to attend to few things personally that is very private, and I have to step away from the community for some time. But then I'm resuming activities on the community, especially the YouTube channel and then the TikTok page and the Facebook page. We'll start posting lessons for you guys, and also we'll start posting chart analysis so that you guys can grab the concept that we have been teaching on the channel, and also maybe some few new things that I have to add to it. So stay tuned, and don't miss out on any of our videos, because it's going to be very educative one. It's going to be an eye opener too, and things are going to be very simple for you guys to trade from henceforth. If you follow my videos, if you follow my breakdowns, so we are trying as much as possible to see if we can do breakdowns every day. Maybe Asia session, or London session, or New York session. Okay, so any of the sessions that you have the time, we will do a breakdown of maybe a pair or two, uh, either synthetics or currencies, because I trade both. Though I love synthetics more, but I trade both. So, and most of you, my followers, trade currencies. So we will start looking at that. Also, I'll be starting mentorship again. So 2026 batch of mentorships is likely to start beginning of next month. So those of you that will be interested, you can contact me. You have all my contact details in the description of this video. You can either contact me on Telegram or on WhatsApp or my TikTok account. All the details are in the description of the video. So guys, I'm really sorry for being away, but patience is good, because I have great things for you guys. So I will see you in my next video, either later this evening when market open, or tomorrow, either during London session or New York session. Be expecting some breakdowns for the week, and then also for the day. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.